Good day, welcome to Martinez Design. In the continuation of our smart projects, so let us continue to do the needful. So what do we do here is that we started this is the last one we did, which is this particular corner window that we modeled by ourselves. So we did a lot of things like opening wall, things like that, so that we make use of. So in this particular one, I want to focus fully on the elevation and make it look more beautiful, have some colors and make everything look colorful. So what do we do is that now the first thing is that this particular roof is a little bit low. I want to increase it. Just toggle the arrow, push it up, because you have already attached it to the wall. I mean, yes, it will definitely give you that. So delete all this. If you have that line, as I was training that time, you can delete them. It's not needed. So now we want to focus on what we want to focus on, like this. Let me just push it a little bit up. Now, so to add one or two things to this elevation, I need to push this one up as well. Understand? So I need to push it. Now I will reduce this one to come down. Yes. So while I reduce this to come down, all of that one will follow suit. So I'm going to just say edit this, then I will align it to that particular front one that I did. So every other one now, every other word around this will follow suit as well. So I'm going to do that straight up. Okay. So I have it this way. Now this is a little bit higher than this, and this one is there like that. So the next thing I need to do is to bring the coping on this one as well, so that may all look more. So you can use this, it doesn't matter, just use this one and then say copy, just paste it, say remove constraint. So it's not the point too, but just then you need to do editing by clicking, then you say edit strip. So the part is what you need to work on. So go to level 2. And the level 2 now, what you need to do is to align this to the outside. Then remove a few other ones that are not needed. So like this, remove them. Then the next one, you remove this. So you're going to align. So make sure that this one flows towards what you want. So click finish, and the click finish again. So you see, so when you look at it from 3D, it's covered up at that level. So if it's not enough, you can edit it back. Go back to level 2, then this, so that lets it come out a little bit smoother, so that cover the extension, and do the same thing here too. Okay, I think with that it's okay. So you click finish and you click finish again. So that aspect has covered. So now what else do we need to do now? We need to focus on this one. The first thing is to work on the flower pavement. So what I'm going to do is that I will select say component. So components here, model in place. So I'm going to say casement like I do. So you click that. So you use extrusion to do whatever you want to do. Just bring it up. You said to be more fast, so that we get to do what you need to do as fast as possible. And the next thing is that you do this. So you trim them. Press escape, then delete. So what else do you need to do? You need to give space for this entrance. So we do that by 4 need to just offset. I'll just say offset. I'm going to do offset of let me say offset of 800. So with copy, 800 with copy. We'll do that all around. So what else do I need to do now to break this? I'm not going to use offset in this one. Just break it up. All the entrance, and do the same thing at the back. And do that at the back. So you break them in pieces, and you break them as well. So what you need now is to trim everything so that it will be in coordinate level to one another. So I have done this. You do the same thing here as well. Okay, do the same thing here too. So you click finish now. So something is there is asking a question. Okay, continue, because this part has never been joined together. So you click that finish. So what do we do now? You change this category. Let's just change this. So I'm going to change just normal whites. So normal do material. So you go to elevation and adjust. So drag this down. Yes, so drag it down. So what do you need next is that you click and you say copy. Just click, press 1, or you go to your foundation where you see that. Just click copy and you copy to one spot, just one. And you do that, you have that duplicated. So extrusion now is that you increase this. Okay, just leave it. So what we do now, we know what to do in the next level. So what you need to do now is to offset this. So offset this time around to let's say 150. So offset inside. No, sorry, without copy. So say copy without copy. Offset, 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 offset. So you do that offset without copy all around. And around. So you click finish. Now you change the material of this. I'm going to select normal green. So I'm going to go to elevation. So this time around I can drag up. So I'm going to get the value here. So the file, when I drag it up, the value is 200, isn't it? So which is so if I reduce it, what will it give? It gives 7 minus 7 something. So because minus 7, so I'm going to click to minus 600. And let's see what will come up. Now it comes up. So that is okay for that aspect. So that is what I need here for now. So the details are coming out. So what I need to do now is that I will go to south elevation, do another block work. So say create. So this block work is going to be here, from here to this particular window. So if I may decide to adjust this window later, if I did not achieve the kind of aesthetic I want in my elevation, so I can decide to adjust that. So now what I do is that I will click here. I can now go to elevation south. So this has joined together, which I don't want. So what is the main issue? The main issue is that I will remove it. Ctrl Z. So where they may have the problem is that the line, everything joined together at that position. So I'm going to align it, moving it off from that point. Okay, so I'm going to introduce that again, then redo what I want to do. So go back to the level 2, level 1. So you can select this and say create similar. So create similar now from here. But instead of me having 3 meter, I'm going to have it at 35 meter. Then I will say you should start this from foundation. So if I do that, it will never come together to join together as a single wall, no matter what the case may be. So that's what I do. Now I will select. What is the issue with you? Okay, I think that's close. So let me go to 3D view and see what I've done. So you can imagine. So now I'll push it up. They're not the same member. So go to start elevation and you work on that. So this is how this one will be. Stay. So let it stay here. Now I want to increase this roof again, because it's now covering what I don't want it to cover. So I'll push it up. Good. So that is the style of the roof. So the style is this way. So I will push this up a bit. Good. So now I will just change the color of this. Say edit the color. So say duplicate again, edit, then just change your color material. So if you can change the color material of that one, fine. And if you decide to say you not just want to paint the only outside, let us even use that instead of using this one. Let us just paint only the outside for view. So that what would we do? You just go to say architecture. Now where do we go? We go to manage, project manage. So now you say object style, then snap, and so much other things that you need to do. So you just click on object style. Sorry, not object style. I want to click on the material. Obviously, so manage process coordinate, and where is this rubbish? Where is this thing? Annotation, broadcasts, project information, post project architecture, material modify. Okay, paints. You just come to paint. So you select your. Let me select this color. This color I want to select. So I will just like say paints, split surface or paint surface, anything you want to do. So paint, it will allow you to paint the surface as you want to do. So as I've chosen that, where is the column before? Done. So select this and then you say paint the color, paint color. You choose a color that you want to paint. If it's not work, then you divide another means of doing it. So just try that and see where is the color. So B, the color is gone. B, 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 B. This is it. Done. So it's not following. So what is the problem that is not doing? Is that because of the surface that are what? So that's half issue. So let's say, okay, do not let me give you edit. Just click on this and say okay, edit. That is how you try things. If it not work for you, then you move to another thing. So it's not that you should stick on. So that's the process of design. It doesn't matter whether you have used something before, it will definitely disappear from you. So all we just need to do is to consistency in what we are doing. So I'm going to do just select any color. Okay, oak flooring. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to duplicate this. I can rename it to whatever I want to rename it to. So I'm changing the color here. So I will say appearance. So I'm going to go to siding. Yes, let me use siding. So button, I'm just button or button or whatsoever that I want to use. Let me use this one. I will say this is what I want to use. It is okay. So for now, I will go here and remove the image. I don't need the image. I don't need the color. I just want the pattern of that color to reflect. So I'll just choose this and come down. Say okay. Then okay. So click OK now, and you get what I want to. And you see, so that's the pattern I want on it. So this pattern now is equally good for me. So the next thing is that you select the inside here, and I choose this particular one because I want to use all the inside to have the same color with this long line. So select that and say 4. Do the same thing here. Go back to this place. You can break the color, you can break the wall if you feel like. So you can just split. You get to split it at the place you feel like splitting it. Then you select this one and change it to 4. So and you do the same thing as well. Split. The reason why is that you do this because when you want to do interior, so that the color of this color will not be confusing you. So the next thing you do is split this one as well. And then select this and change it to 4. So as I have done this, I will look around. So that is it. So you have this color in place. So if those color are not appealing to you, you change them. So this is the elevation one that we have done. So that is all we do here. So the next thing is that adjust this one and let it flow and attach itself to the top. Okay, every area that you have wall like that, make them attach themselves to the roof. So what was it saying? Not all can be attached, I know. So that is it for that. So let me quickly do the arc way for this part, then I'll call it a wrap. So finish here. Now I will say on the line, yes, this one is going to be 2200, and then you have 800 here. So draw that and finish it. So when you look at it from 3D, you see that the part is covered. So what I have at that front here, at this level 2, so I need to gather this place and cover it up. So I'm going to use ceiling, normal ceiling, say ceiling, then sketch it. So at your sketching, make it 3000. Sorry, 3000. Can still later adjust it. So I'm just going to draw that one and a little bit to shoot out than my expectation. So I'm going to come here and see to shoot out to this point. So align this to the wall. Then you click finish. And click finish. So when you click finish now, say save. And you go to your elevation and see. So come here. So select this and say go to level 1. Good. So this is how far it goes. So it comes out. Then you come to level 1. Say edit. Align this to the very level that you want it to go to. So I just want to start from middle. So as I've done with that, so you click finish now. Then you can come to 3D, change the materials, edit in place, store structure and anything. So just change the material. So come here, graphics, use graphics, then you change the material entirely to something that suits you. So just click this ABS white. So it's okay, and click OK. Then click OK. Okay, so that is it. So you can now toggle around and see for yourself. Does it make any meaning to what I've done? So that is it for the way it looks. You can go to elevation and adjust what you need to adjust. Like this one that is coming down, I don't want it. So the opening is what, that's why you use opening. So you'll be able to adjust and adjust and adjust. You'll be able to fix it. So that is it for you. So now you go back to 3D and see, you can look around and so. So if you have anything more to work on, you can definitely work on that. This one you can still bring it to 2900 if one is some lines are now up to it. Okay. So you can see that the beauty are now available. So in the next tutorial we try to complete the part of elevations, because elevation is one of the biggest value of design. So see you in the next tutorial. God bless you.